Just a short, quick video. Sorry about that. Shows you what a small little squirt of Swarm Commander on the back of a frame when bees are in the air will do. They are all about the box. Didn't have to work for them. Of course, if you're lucky enough to be in the yard when they leave, you got it made in the shade. Just a quick tip, always have Swarm Commander with you and a frame of brood comb. I had this one set up to make a split. I'll have to make another split now, or make another box to make a split. Thanks for watching.